Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video. 2021-22 Upper Deck Allure Hockey. 1 autograph per box, 8 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. Obviously, we're looking for Caulfields and stuff, but you probably can't see that, but unless you scroll in or whatever. Yeah. I already know where the auto is. Every box is the same. It's the second from the last pack. Dollar Deals 007 on eBay. Coyote stickers. Not sponsored, but yeah, I bought my stickers for my 35.1 touch, and these are the ones for hockey. I have some baseball one coming too. That's the cracked ice, silver hollow, and the gold hollow. They will be sealing the 35.1 touches when I do ship out. So for my hockey and my baseball ones when they come. So yeah, look them up. CoyoteStickers.com. They come from Indiana. Great company. A few of the breakers use them. I think Hitman and a few other people. So anyways, let's just get into this and see if we can hit top rookie or a McDavid or something interesting. And check out the other videos that are probably going to drop within the next couple days or so. Some Douglas baseball and whatnot. Douglas baseball, whatever. CHL, and I think I had another one too. Oh, OPG. So the autograph will be second to last pack, which is this one. So we'll say that one to last. We'll put that one right there so you can all see it. It's right there. That's the auto. But we are looking for short prints numbered. Apparently there's a 16-bit unannounced. So this is the base cards right here. Simple base. Obviously with chrome cards or like these type of finished cards, you will get some roller lines and stuff like that. So we will keep an eye out for those ones. Going in my fingerprints all over them. So that's the base. And yeah, Brett Burns, John Gibson, Mikko Rantanen, Marc-Andre Fleury, Jakub Voracek, Mike Hardman on the rookie. Rookie's usually on the back of the pack. There is the Quartz, Mark Stone. That's one of the inserts. There's some silver hollow foil, whatnot. So if you want to, instead of looking at the small print of the box, you can look at the small print on the pack if you want to scroll into there. Pause and scroll in. Looks like our first colored is coming up. Giroux, Tom Wilson, Victor Olofsson, Kevin Fiala. Go to the back here is William Eklund on the rookie. There's the Allure Control Room. Jeremy Swayman, I believe that's his rookie control room or whatever. So, and this one is Kalen Addison. I think this is red-orange. Yeah, red-orange. There is a few versions of these ones. So, nice looking cards though. Very, very sweet, minty. Looking for a good word. Shiny. Everybody uses the word shiny. Looks like there's two colors in here. Kirill, Dougie Hamilton, Cale Makar, Barkov, rookie Cole Lind, wrong rookie for that one. Jeff Petrie, William Eklund on the red, And Charlie McAvoy on the yellow-green. I guess this is red rainbow. I like the yellow-green. Very standout-ish. Very nice. Actually, I'm going to sleeve up the colored ones. Rookie McAvoy for the Boston Bruins. And Kalen Addison. Looks like a silver hollow coming up. Or black. I'm not even sure. Nugent Hopkins, Pavelski, Draisaitl, Kristen Ari, Philip Deneau. It's a Mitch Marner on the black rainbow. That's what they're called. Rookie Lucas Raymond and Hustle Hit Never and Never Quit. Hustle Hit Never and Never Quit. Brett Burns. Interesting little insert there. I like the black rainbow. Another black rainbow coming up too. And a red, I do believe. Oh no, a jersey? No, just a red. Anders Lee, Sam Reinhart, Steven Stamkos, Brock Besser, Brad Marchand. A rookie of Radim Zohorna. Morgan Barron on the rookie. And iced out Mitch Marner. That's a nice one. And obviously black rainbow. Let's keep that over there. Looks like an orange slice coming up, maybe. Yeah. Anthony Mantha, Sidney Crosby, Jordan Eberle, Patrick Kane, Taro Teravainen, Niles Lundqvist on the rainbow. Oh, Johnny Tavares. Nice. Niles Lundqvist on the red-orange. I guess my auto is not in the same pack as what everybody else's is. Interesting. And the rookie is Spencer Knight. There is the John Tavares, not numbered. It's a red rainbow auto, though, of Johnny T. Actually, going to one-touch that. Because it's John Tavares. And because I want to use one of my stickers, so. What should we use? Cracked or gold or silver? I say we use the cracked. Just because. See, these ones are fancy. Put them right there. Put them over. And there you have it. Pretty cool. Dollar Deals 007. Can you see that? Cool. There you are. Sweet. Looks like we got a purple coming up. Matthew Tkachuk, Anze Kopitar, Kucherov, Atkinson, Busnevich, Tim Stützle. Tim Stützle on the black rainbow, Alex Newhook on the orange slice, and Ukko-Pekka on the, I guess is a blue-purple, $1.99. And the Joey Keane. Certainly did get a lot of color. The Stutzel's nice though. The color match on that. And I guess this pack is not the auto, so we'll just open this willy-nilly. Free and free. Guess I was wrong. Lafreniere, Matthews, DeBrincat, Heischer, Yamamoto, Nathan McKinnon, bread baskets, and Jesse Olonen. Bread baskets on the UC Saros, and Nathan McKinnon on the Red Rainbow. All right, guys, there is our Allure 2021-22. There's our auto, Johnny T. Which isn't too bad. I like John Tavares, so do others. All right, guys, stay tuned for some more breaks. Like, subscribe, follow here, and Dollar Deals 007, and follow me on eBay. Thanks for watching. Till next time.